students, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is AMR channel. So last class what we discussed, exercise 1.3 for Karnataka state syllabus, 5.3 CBSE and NCERT, and 6.3 for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students. Okay, so last class question number 1 and question number 2 is completed, and in this session we will complete question number 3 and 4. Understand? Before that, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you like, and please like and share with your friends. So let's start question number 3. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. So you can write, instead of AN, you can write TN or L, that is last term, is equal to 50. And now we have to find what is N. So N is number of terms, and what is Sn? That means sum of N terms. Sum of N terms. If you find N is equal to 10, 12, then we need to find S10. And if you find N is equal to 8, then you have to find S8. If you find N is equal to 12, then you have to find S12. So first of all, you need to find what is N. That is the number of terms. So let's start. To find N, so what is Tn? Nth term. Nth term of an arithmetic progression, that is A plus N minus 1 into D. What is Tn here? That is nth term. 50 is equal to, what is A? 5 plus, we need to find N, write it as it is. What is D? D is 3. Okay. 50 plus 5 will become minus 5 when we move to left side. That is equal to, write N minus 1 into 3 as it is. 50 minus 5, we get, what we get here? 45 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. You can cancel. 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, we have remaining 1, we get 15 here, 3 5s are 15. Now what is N minus 1? N minus 1 is 15. Then what is N? 15 plus 1. Why I written here plus 1? Because minus 1 will become plus 1 when we move to right side. Okay. So N is equal to 15 plus 1. What we get? 16. So now we have to find S16. That means sum of 16 terms we need to find. So S16. First of all, you need to know what is Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. Why can't you write this? Do you know how the formula is? Let's see once. Look here. What is sum of N terms formula? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Why can't we write 2A as A plus A? A plus A is nothing but 2A. So write down the next step is A plus here remaining N minus 1 into D, you can write as it is. So now let's see here, what is A plus N minus 1 into D? What is A plus N minus 1 into D? That is nth term. See here. That is nth term. Already I told you in the introduction part. If you did not watch that, please check once. You can understand what they are, what it is. Okay. So A plus N minus 1 into D. Instead of this, you can write nth term, Tn. Otherwise, you can write L. L is nothing but lost term. L is nothing but lost term. Okay. Understand? So next, coming to the question. Okay. So yes, N means 16. Yes, 16. That means sum of 16 terms we need to find. 16 divided by 2 into, what is the first term here? 5 plus, what is L? That means last term. Or you can write L or AN or TN. You can write as you wish. So what is the last term here? That is 50. So cancel 2 ones 2, 2 8s 16. So S16 is equal to 8 into 50 plus 5, 55. So multiply this, what will we get here? 40. 8 for the 40 plus 4, 44. So sum of 16 terms is equal to 44. This is our solution. So let's check for second. So A is equal to 7. 13th term is equal to 35. We have to find common difference D and sum of 13 terms. So write down here 13th term is equal to 35. What is the formula of T13? A plus 12D. So why don't you substitute in the place of A, that is 7. Just keep like this. 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. Why we are doing like this? Because we need to find D. Okay, 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. Is it right? So 12D is equal to, what is 35 minus 7? We get 28. Then what is D? D is equal to 28. This 12 will perform divided by 12. Okay. So now 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28. So what is D? 7 by 3. Okay. Now what we have to find? 13th term. I mean sum of 13 terms we need to find. For that, what you have to do? Sum of 13 terms we need to find. Before that, you have to know how many terms we have. That means small n. Are you getting? So here also we find like that itself. Understand? So check once here. What is the last term here? 13th term. Sum of 13th term we need to find. And here also 13th term is 35. And sum of 13 terms and 13th term are same. So we can justify this. The last term is 35. Are you getting? So you can write like this. What is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. A plus l. What is the last term here? So write down here a is equal to 7. Term 13 or l is equal to 35. We need to find S13. Understand? So find here. S13 is equal to, see here we need not to find small n because the last term that is 35 and we need to find sum of 13 terms are same. Are you getting? So write down. S13 is equal to 13 divided by 2 into, what is A? 7 plus, what is L? 35. Okay. 13 by 2 into 17 plus 35 what? 42. Let's cancel 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So 13 into 21. 13 into 21. What we get here? Our answer is, multiply this. We get 3, 7 and 2. 273 we will get. So 13th term. Sum of 13th term is equal to 273 is our solution. Understand? Then what is D? D is equal to 7 by 3 and the sum of 13 terms is equal to 273. Let's move for next question. See, the third question is same as the second question before we done. Are you getting? So what is the 12th term here? 37 and we need to find sum of 12 term. See here. T12 is 37. We need to find sum of 12 terms. See, these are same. That means our n, small n is 12. So you can write this is the last term. Last term. And n is equal to 12. And D is equal to 3. What we need to find? We need to find A and S12. So it is very easy. Are you getting? What is the 12th term here? 37. What is the formula of T12? A plus 11D is equal to 37. So what is A here? A is equal to 37 minus 11D. Understand? So now put D is equal to 3. Already given here. Common differences is 3. So instead of 3 you can multiply 3. A is equal to 37 minus 11 into 3. A is equal to 37 minus 11 3s are 33. What is 37 minus 3? A is equal to 4. So the first term is 4. That's completed. Now we have to solve sum of 12 terms. What is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Understand? So Sn is equal to, Sn means 12. N is equal to 12. S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 into, what is the first term? That is 4 plus, what is the last term? 37. Okay. Multiply. 2 1s are 2 6s are. 6 into 4 plus 37. 41. 6 into 41. So S12 is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. That means 246 is our answer. Sum of 12 terms is equal to 246. Let's move forward to question. Check question number 4. Term 3 is equal to 15. and S10 is equal to 125. S10 is equal to 125. Why don't you write Sn is equal to 125? That means n is equal to 10. Understand? N is equal to 10. And what we have to find? We have to find the common difference and the 10th term we need to find. Okay? So let's start. What is term 3? Term 3 is equal to 15. What is the formula of term 3? A plus 2D is equal to 15. Then what is A here? 15 minus 2D. So keep it in the box. So give equation 1. Now, so what is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What we need to find? We know n means 10. S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Write down 2a plus what is n? 10 minus 1 into d. So S10 is equal to, what is S10 ma? S10 is 125. So write down 125. Instead of S10 you can write 125 is equal to 2 ones 2, 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 we get 9d. Understand? Understand? Now 125 divided by 5 is equal to 2a plus 9d. We can write like this. Understand? So 5 ones 5, 5 2s are 10 and remaining 2 here there. So 5 5s are 25. So you can write 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So now substitute a is equal to 15 minus 2d from 1. Okay. So 2 into what is a here? 15 minus 2d plus 9d. Write as it is 25. Multiply 15 2s are 30 minus 2 2s are 4d plus 9d is equal to 25. 30 minus into plus minus 4 minus 9 we get minus 5. In front of 4 we have a negative sign, minus into minus plus 5d is equal to 25. So 5d is equal to 25 minus 30. You can write like this. Understand? Is this step? Is it clear? Now 5d is equal to 25 minus 30 we get minus 5. So cancel 5 and what is remaining here? Minus 1 is the remaining. So the common difference d is equal to 5. We find already d. Now we need to find 10th term. We need to find 10th term. Before that we have to know what is the first term. So you can do from equation 1. From equation 1 put d is equal to minus 1. So a is equal to 15 minus 2 into what is d here? Minus 1. A is equal to 15 minus into minus plus 2 1 is 2. So a is equal to 15 plus 2 what? 17. So our first term is 17. Now easily you can solve what is the 10th term. T10 we need to find. So what is T10 formula? T10 is equal to a plus, what is the formula of T10? A plus 9d. What is a? A is 17 plus 9 into what is d? D is minus 1. Substitute 17 plus into minus 9 ones are 9. So 17 minus 9 we get 8. So our 10th term is 8. Problem solved. See, we need to find common difference d, that is minus 1, and T10 we need to find, so that is 8. Understand? Please note down. Pause the video to note down. Check 5th question. Common difference they given, and sum of 9 terms is 75. Sum of 9 terms nothing but Sn. So here Sn is equal to 75 and already n is given. That means Sn is equal to 9. Understand? N is equal to 9. and D is equal to 5 already given, and we need to find term 1 and term 9 we need to find, and in the question they given A1 and A9. You can write as your wish. Okay, let's start. What is the formula of sum of n terms? N is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is n here? N is 9. Yes, 10 is equal to 10 divided by 2. Sorry, 9. 9 no here. Yes, 9. 9 divided by 2 into 2a plus n means 9 minus 1 into what is d? D is 5. Already be given here. I mistaken. Okay, it's correct. So S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1, we get 8 into 5. So correct. And next what we have to find, what is S9? S9 is 75. Why don't you write here 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 5 8s are 40. Okay, 5 8s are 40. Now 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a, multiply both, plus again 9 by 2 into 40. 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2. So we have remaining 1 into a, that is a. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, we get 0. So 75 is equal to 9a plus 9 twos are 18. So 20 into 9, that means 180. What we need, 9a is equal to 75 minus 180. Why don't you write like this? So 9a is equal to, what is 75 minus 80? Minus 35. Sorry, minus 105. Minus 105. Minus 105. So a is equal to minus 105 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9. Here remaining is 1. 3 5s are 15. So a is equal to minus 35. This is the first term. A is equal to minus 35 by 3. By 3. So now what we need to find, ma? We need to find term 9. Already we find first term, that is T1 is equal to minus 35 by 3. And what is term 9? What is the formula of T9? A plus 8D. What is A? A is minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into what is D? D is 5. Substitute. Minus 35 by 3 plus 5 8s are 40. So minus 35 plus 3 into 40, we get 120 divided by 3. So what is minus 35 plus 120? That is 85 divided by 3. Therefore, term 9 is equal to 85 by 3. This is our solution. Let's move to next question. Next, a is equal to 2. That is first term and common difference 8. Sum of n terms is. So coming to sixth question, a is equal to 2, common difference d is equal to 8, sum of n terms is equal to 90. Now what we have to find? Small n, that means number of terms we need to find, and also term 5 we need to find. Sorry, term 5 already they given 34, term 5 is 34, no, this is wrong. We need to find term 5. What is a term 5? So simply you can write like this. Term 5 is equal to a plus 4d. So we need to find term 5 is equal to what is a? A is 2 plus 4 into what is d? D is 8. So term 5 is equal to 2 plus 4 8s are 32. So term 5 is equal to 2 plus 32, we get 34. So we find term 5. But now we have to find what is a small n. That is a number of terms. Number of terms. What is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. What is Sn? Sn is 90. Is equal to n by 2. N we need to find. So write as it is. Into 2a plus n minus 1 into what is d? D is already given. So that is 8. And here a is also given. A is 2. So write down 2 here. So next step is 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus. So multiply 8 inside, 8 into n 8n minus 8 ones are 8. Okay. So now what we have to do, see, multiply this 90 into 2. What is 90 into 2? We get 180 is equal to n into 4 minus 8, we get minus 4 plus 8. Okay. Is it clear? So next step what you have to do here, 180 is equal to multiply n inside. So n into minus 4n plus 8n into n. See here, 8n into n. 8n into n. Nothing but 8n into n square. That is 8n square. You have to write 8n square. Now what you have to do here, 180. So here we have a right side, that is minus 4n plus 8n. So you have to take into left side, then the signs will be changed. So minus will become plus 4n and plus will become minus 8n square. So you can write here is equal to 0 because the right side is nothing. Okay. So write down here order wise, that is minus 8n square plus 4n plus 180. You can write like this also. So now what you have to do here, multiply by minus first of all. Multiply by minus because the first term will be positive. So that for that sake you have to multiply by minus. What we get here, 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. And now what we have to do here, we can divide by 4. We can divide by 4. So 8 by 4 n square minus 4 by 4 n minus 180 by 4 is equal to 0. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Let's cancel 4 4. And next here what will become 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. Remaining 2 we get 20. So 4 fives are 20. 2 into n square, 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. So now you have to do the factorization method. Do you know what is a factorization? How can you do this? See here, this n can be written, that is minus n is there no here. Minus n can be written as minus 10n plus 9n. Are you getting? Because see here, you can take n as common. And what is the remaining here? Minus 10 plus 9. So n into minus 10 plus 9, we get minus 1. So n into minus 1, we get minus n. See how the process is. Is it same? Is it same? Yes. So instead of minus n, you can write 2n square. Instead of minus n, you can write this. Minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay. Now take this term and you have to do separate terms. So let's take common, that is 2. 2 into n square. No, why don't you write like this? 2n into n. 2n into n, that is 2n square minus. So now 2 5s are 2n into 5, we get 10n. See here, 2n into 5. 2 5s are 10 and n into 1 n. 10n minus 10n. Are you getting? So next plus, see here, 9 5s are 45, no? So why don't you common 9 here? 9 into n, 9n minus 9 5s are 9 into 5s are 45 is equal to 0. See here, n minus 1 is the same here. Why don't you take common? N minus 1 into, and what are the remaining here? 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So now what you have to do? N minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. And what is n here? N is equal to 5 and 2n is equal to plus 9 will become minus 9. Then what is n? N is equal to minus 9 by 2. See here, this is impossible. Impossible. So our n value must be single, but we have two terms here. We have two answers. But n is equal to minus 9 by 2 is wrong because it is in a negative sign and also fractional form. Fractional forms are not possible. So definitely we can take n is equal to 5. So what is our answer here? N is 5. Okay, you can write therefore n is equal to 5. That means number of terms is equal to 5. Okay, so before that please pause the video to note down. Coming to question number 7, a is equal to 8, nth term that is 62. So nth term an is nothing but last term. So you can write a is equal to 8, comma, l is equal to 62, comma, sum of n terms is equal to 210. What we need to find? We need to find number of terms and common difference. For that you have to do one. That is, now Sn is equal to 210. Right? What is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Why I write like this? Because already they given the first term and the last term. So that I write in the short formula. What is Sn? Sn is 210 is equal to n. We need to find n. So write as it is. Into a is 8. Last term is 62. So 210 is equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 62 will get 70. So cancel 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Remaining 1, 2 5s are 10. So 210 is equal to 35n. So why don't you cancel this? 5 5s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20 and remaining 1 that is 5 2s are 10. Okay. Understand? Let's repeat this. 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20, remaining 1. That is 10 it will become. Then 5 2s are 10. So now 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42. So now what is n here? N is equal to 6 we find. Now we need to find a common difference. For this sake, we need to know term n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Tn? Tn is nothing but last term. So that is 62 is equal to what is a? That is 8 plus n. Already we find n that is 6. 6 minus 1 into d. D we need to find, so write down as it is. 62 is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 1 we get 5d. Okay. So 5d is equal to 62 minus 8. So 5d is equal to how much? 54. Am I correct? So d is equal to 54 divided by 5. So this is the common difference. Problem solved. Let's move for next question. See, coming to 8th question. So the given last term Tn is equal to 4. Common difference is 2. Sum of n terms are minus 14. And what we need to find? We need to find number of terms and first term we need to find. So let's start. Did you understand this? So let me explain. Term n is equal to 4. What is the formula of Tn? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. So we need to know what is A. A is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into d. We get minus n minus 1 into d. What is d? Instead of d I am writing here 2. So A is equal to 4 minus n into 2 we get minus 2n. Here minus into minus we get plus. 2 1s are 2. Understand? Now, what is Sn? Is equal to minus 14. What is the formula of Sn? N by 2 into a plus l last term is equal to minus 14. N by 2 into what is a? A is 4 minus 2n plus 2 plus what is the last term here? That is 4 is equal to minus 14. So n by 2 into 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10 minus 2n. See, I am adding here 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10. 10 minus what is the remaining here? 2n is the remaining is equal to minus 14. So next step what we have to do here? 10 minus 2n is equal to minus 14. See, this will perform as divided by n by 2. Divided by n by 2. See here, 10 minus 2n is equal to minus 14 into this n by 2 will perform as a reciprocal. That means the numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator by multiplying. Okay. Then tell me what will come here. N by 2 will become 2 by n. Reciprocal form. Okay. It will perform 2 by n. Understand? Now tell me. 10 minus 2n is equal to minus 14 2s are minus 28 divided by n. Now minus 2n is equal to minus 28 divided by n plus 10 will become minus 10. Minus 10. So now minus 2n is equal to minus 28 minus n into 10. Multiply n into 10. 10n divided by n. So minus 2n is equal to what will happen here? Let's check once. See, why can't you multiply here in the denominator? Here, there, no. So multiply this. Minus 2n into n is equal to minus 28 minus 10n. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes. So now tell me minus 2n into n, what will become? Minus 2n square is equal to minus 28 minus 10n. Okay, what we have in the right side? Right side minus 28 minus 10n we have. So take it into left side. Then the signs will change. Minus 2n square minus will become plus 28 plus 10n is equal to 0. Because right side is nothing. So you can write 0. So listen here. Why can't you divide 2 on both sides? So minus 2. Divide minus 2 on both sides. Minus 2. Divide minus 2. Write down here. Divide minus 2 on both sides. Then what will become here? Minus 2n square divided by minus 2. Plus 28 divided by minus 2. Plus 10n divided by minus 2 is equal to 0. Now minus minus get cancelled. 2 also cancel. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. So here 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So what is remaining here? N square plus into minus minus 14 plus into minus minus 5 is equal to 0. Sorry, here n is there. No, 5n is equal to 0. So rewriting this, n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Are you getting? Now you have to do factorization. You have to do factorization. Before that, keep a is equal to 4 minus 2n plus 2 as equation number 1. Okay. Now what is the next process here? So write down this here, n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now you have to do factorization method. Then we will get n values. 2 values we will get here. Do you know factorization method? What is here? This is 14. 14 can be written as 7 into 2. 7 into 2. Now this, what is in the middle term? Minus 5n is there. So minus 5n can be written as minus 7n plus 2n. Are you getting? See, minus 7 plus 2 we will get minus 5. So n is common. Are you getting? So instead of minus 5n, you can write this minus 7n plus 2n. So write down n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now take n as common in this term and separate both. So now n into n square minus n is already in the outside, so write down only 7 here. Plus, see, 2 7s are 14, we can multiply this. Why can't you take 2 as outside? 2 into n, 2n minus 2 7s are 14 is equal to 0. See here, n minus 7 is same. Why don't you take common? N minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 7, n is equal to minus 2. So we have two terms. That means n is equal to 7 and n is equal to minus 2. Then what will happen here? For that, n is equal to minus 2 is impossible because we have a negative sign. But we need a positive one. What we need? We need positive one. So you can write the conclusion, but n is equal to minus 2 not possible. Not possible because n cannot be negative. N cannot be negative. Then what is our answer? Definitely n is equal to 7 is our answer. Understand? Let's move to next question. No, still we have a question, that is we need to find a, no? So nothing you have to do. Just substitute in equation 1 as n is equal to 7. Substitute equation 1, that is n is equal to 7. So what is in the equation 1? Ma? A is equal to 4 minus 2n plus 2. So a is equal to 4 minus 2 into what is n? N is 7 plus 2. So a is equal to 4 minus 2 sevens are 14 plus 2. So now 4 plus 2, 6 minus 14. 6 minus 14. Now tell me what is 6 minus 14? That is minus 8. Minus 8. So what is our a here? A is minus 8. Now we can move to next question. Before that, please check question number 9. We need to find the common difference. So for that, we need to know what is Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is Sn? S8. N means 8. Is equal to 8 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus n means 8 minus 1 into d. Okay, S8 is nothing but 192 is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 4 into 2 3s are 6 plus 7d. Okay, so 192, this 4 will perform as divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. Understand? Are you getting? So you can write here as 4 4s are 16. So remaining is 3. 4 8s are 32. Okay, 48 is equal to 6 plus 7d. So 7d is equal to 48 minus 6. 48 minus 6. So 7d is equal to 42. 7 1s are 7. 7 6 are 42. So d is equal to 6. We find the common difference. D is equal to 6. The last question, that is 10th. Let's move. Check the 10th question. Last term is 28. That means nth term is equal to 28. And sum of 9 terms is equal to 144. That means here number of term is 9 terms. So you can write n is equal to 9. We need to find what is the first term. What is the formula of Sn? That is equal to n by 2 into a plus last term. So what is n here? S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 28 plus. So we need to know a, no? So write down a plus 28. Understand? So what is S9 ma? S9 is 144 is equal to 9 by 2 into a plus 28. So a plus 28 is equal to 144 divided by 9 by 2. So 144 divided by 9 by 2 can be written as 144 into 9 by 2. Reciprocal is 2 by 9. So 9 1s are 9, 16. 16 9s are 144. Now 16 2s are what? 32. So a plus 2d is equal to, a plus 28 is equal to 32. What is a? 32 minus 28. Then definitely you can say a is equal to 4. This is the solution. Completed. So try next more questions, that is 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th up to 20 questions we have. So try once. Okay, next class we will meet again. Thank you. Bye bye. Before that, please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like and share.